So right now, what's it called? We're 20 minutes away before our 1 hour closure. Looks like Price is creating this double top right now. I want to wait and see how it closes. Looks like we did fake up, snap back down, making this double top. So if it closes like this, I could see sells back down to this area down here, maybe 88 buy. But we do have news at 10 if I'm not mistaken. So just gonna wait and see how it closes. All right, looks like we are kind of hovering above this 15-minute area that we're creating here. So let's see. Let's see. What do y'all think? You think we're gonna flip back, close above, and continue pushing up? Or are we gonna wick like we are now, close bearish, and then come down to this area down here? See. All right, 15 minute. This looks like it's coming back up. 4 minutes until the 15-minute closure. Excuse me. If it closes bullish, yo, I might buy the top. Let's see what happens. Still got 18 minutes.
Wow. We got volumes today.
I'm about to sneeze and buy.
Wow, 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 wow.
1 hour looks bullish.
I was hoping for a little lower, not just right here. This is like,
Yo, I need 500 for another payout.
it's already done, bro.
Yes, sir. All right, 15 minutes until our 10 a.m. closure Eastern time. Yeah, that top step chart looking a little bullish. Let's see.
Are we gonna go back to 2200s?
You see 218 on top step.
22,000, 22,000. My bad. Looking at the daily, it does look like it's making like getting back in that zone on the left side. It does want to come back to the top.
That last 4 hour didn't go off three previous 4 hour candles. The 1 hour closes bullish here. I could see it push up.
Look at the daily. Look at the daily real quick. Yeah, no, zoom out, bro. There's nothing to see there. What you
I
looking at
mean,
there?
I see everything here.
Oh, what you buying? What you selling? There you go.
Yeah, it's at the 88 on the daily, but
Go, yeah, go. Yeah, there you go.
Bro, there's nothing but choppiness right here.
That area. But we haven't reached the top yet. We did tap the bottom of that range. The gray zone, you just, yep. We tapped the bottom. We haven't touched the top. So, so what are we thinking? Buying top?
You're wicked.
What are we thinking? Will it come back for another tap? You think she's that generous?
I think she might take off right from here.
Yeah, we're looking at the daily zone. There's a lot of evidence of this price retracing back to the all-time high before it crashes down. From all-time high, it's about another thousand point, 1,200.
Excuse me. You said there's news at 10.
Yeah, jolt. Jobs opening, I guess.
yo,
What's up, bro?
did Apex ever get back to you after that email?
Which one? The one I sent about my trading count or trading days?
Like your strategy?
No, they didn't say anything.
They just asked for it and haven't followed
Yeah,
up.
exactly. I responded saying, "What if I don't comply?" And then I ended up complying. I folded. Um, so I sent them I think two trading days already. They want three more.
They
Oh,
haven't
so
responded to you after the first email, after the first day.
No, y'all know they don't respond.
so you sent two setups and then they said send three more?
No, 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 no.
They
They
didn't
initially
respond to him at
said
all.
they initially asked me for the setups, and responded back saying, "What if I choose not to comply?" And then I ended up just sending the setups anyway. So I sent two so far, Friday and Monday.
But
But
no
the
response
original
yet.
email they asked for five total.
Uh
They don't like it's asked because they don't like keep you in progress. Like they don't like, yo, you're doing good. Like you feel me? They're not telling you that until you get to the very end. They're like, oh, bro,
Yeah.
by the
They're not
way,
gonna
you
respond until
messed
I
up.
process that payout.
It's like, whoa, you could have told me, bro.
Once I process that payout, they're gonna come knocking on my door.
Yeah, they're like, oh, wait, hold on. They were gonna rob them blind.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, this 15 just flew.
Apex? No, they don't take 10%. They pay you out full.
I think until like you get like 70K or some shit like that.
Oh,
70K and then it's 9, 10.
hey, after this month, they might have me. I want to buy this top, y'all. 10 minutes.
I want to buy this top. The famous words. Those famous words. I will buy the top.
Yeah, I wouldn't be complaining for 10% either. Oh, look at that shoot Wigan. Like, is it lagging or
Hold
what?
on, huh?
Hold on a second. 9 more
Uh,
minutes.
nah, no buying up here. I want to see something lower. I don't want to just buy continuous,
That's why your name will never be remembered, T.
bro.
That's crazy.
Damn, you in the boat? You're in the
What
same
boat?
boat, bro. We all buying top.
Nah, this 1 hour closes below ozone. I don't know.
Yeah, I can see both ways if it does that. I could still see it fill the wick,
Yeah,
and then it'll just come down for a better buy.
that's why this area is so interesting. Like, it really could go both ways. This 1 hour is gonna be key.
I
Yeah,
hate it when I wake up and it's already like on the 4 hour. When I wake up, it's already bullish. Then you're like, bro, if this thing keep going down a little lower, we can buy up during New York session. That's just my train of thought. Every
Yeah,
time I wake up and
I
it's
don't.
already bullish, I'm like, bro, all right.
I know the move was at 3 a.m. like right
Yeah,
off
I
that
know.
support,
Yeah,
but I was asleep, so I was like, all right, I missed that.
yeah, nah. Ain't nobody getting in there unless you're a demon.
Unless you had a buy limit or something. Yeah,
yeah.
I'm not
But
gonna
you
hold you.
still,
I scalped a couple sells this morning because the risk reward was too good, but
yeah.
I already stopped profit on those. So I mean, my buys could go either way. It depends on this 1 hour.
Well, from that turnaround at like 3 a.m. until now, it's only gone up from 420 to 580. So it's gone up to like 160 points. Still pretty like not that significant compared to like most days. A lot of days we have like a larger move than that. So I'm just waiting for like some big move to happen, either up to the upside or the downside.
Damn, John, you in Greece?
That's what I'm saying.
I
Boy,
wish I
living
was you.
life.
Boy, Mykonos,
What time is it over there? Is it 8 hours or nine?
Santorini.
Greece. Oh, Mykonos.
That's what's up, man.
I know.
He said, I'm going back to the islands and I'm going to spray tan.
Oh, that sunset hitting right now.
He's an island boy.
Nothing better than buying tops and watching the sunset.
Telling y'all.
I'm just kidding, bro. Do not buy top.
Let's see. I might
I might.
flipping 15 degrees. I'm dead. All right, 6 more minutes. that 5 minute flipping. I think
She wanna fly.
no
She
wick,
wanna.
no wick to the top T. You ain't buying that?
Ugh. Ugh. No, bro. No, 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 no. I want a better price. I want a better price. Feel like the drop is gonna happen at like 2. Buy it back from 2 p.m. From the bottom. Double top here and drop, please. Double top and drop.
Oh man, you gotta send us a picture if you haven't. Peep T, that 4 hour on Top Step is gonna close like that. Watch.
Yeah, yeah.
If it closes below the last 4 hours, I mean the previous 4 hour highs, then uh but it's still bullish as fuck. All I gotta say. Still bullish as hell. Very strong bullish. So we were in this range since up since the 13th, since the 15th. And then we broke up, came right back down yesterday. And now we're trying to break back up to that high from yesterday. Look at how she moving. She
Mm-hmm.
moving different.
Mm-hmm.
No retest.
But fill that
Bro,
wick.
10 o'clock. Let's see the news drop it down a little bit. Let's see the news will drop it down.
Hey, or it could pump it up. Pump it up.
I
Pump
want to
it
see
up.
a flash to both sides. Like zoom down and then right back up.
Oh, my man on a boat. Trading on a boat, I see you. Oh wow.
They're like Jordan Belfort, bro.
What is that, the Parthenon?
Temple of Poseidon. Let me see this. Oh, it's dark over there. Damn. Oh,
Man. 1 hour 15. Looking bullish. 4 hour looking bullish. Two
are we
minutes
gonna get a
left.
continuation, or are we gonna stay in the zone? It's the daily closure from yesterday too. Something looks sweet.
45 seconds.
If you guys have been uh what's it called, following the trades news about the trade wars, you can see the U.S. is slowly starting to take the grip off the tariffs. Like they started making deals with China now. Now China is some of their exports are getting excluded from the tariffs until like August 31st. They said some materials, so they didn't specify what products or what
Oh,
kind
look
of.
at that.
Look at that.
Is it 10?
It is 10. So I'm just
Okay.
saying there's a lot of good news now of how um the trade war is going.
4 hour closed, strong too.
Uh
Happy birthday, CB.
I just don't trust it though. Like it just spread up but no bottom weight. And at some point she gotta retrace at some point. I will wait for a retest.
Slightly gapped. See if it reaches that support or resistance we just broke. Four-hour close strong though. See it continue pushing.
Job opening did turn out a little bit positive. Honestly, just keep pushing on us here. There you go.
Yep.
There you go.
Up.
I'm buying tippity top. Not good, not good.
Can we keep pushing?
Well, 1 hour did close above the that high. Body is above. So I was thinking some this thing got juice.
Come on.
Can we see a push down?
Order filled.
Order fill. I know somebody pressed that. Is that you? Is that you though?
Might have been.
Order fillers? You played. Oh, 1 hour.
You trying to retest?
Yes, she is. There we
I'm in
go.
there.
Come on.
In there, 76. 576. Okay. Third.
Come on. Come on. Keep pushing. 5 minute in golf, or excuse me, I'm on the 1 minute. Let's see, 5 minute wick.
Yeah. Let's go.
That was nice.
This thing should just push. Yeah. Come on, dude. Yep.
Yo, come on. He said grow wings, let's go.
All right. There you go.
This 5 minute close like this in 2 minutes. 15 minutes, still indecisive. Five 5 minute looks good. Five-minute close strong. 1 hour still looks good. 15 minute did close indecisive.
Wick to both sides on 15, eh?
Still close bullish.
Yep.
Come on.
Okay, let's get it. I'm taking half off right here. Come on, Dan.
Like we're testing this 5 minute area of resistance. Comes back lower, I'll probably enter again. I'm not gonna lie to you. There we go. Nice 1 minute closure. Go off the previous one. 5 minute looks good. There we go. Keep pushing. I secured some profits. I'm at right under my goal for the day. I'm just gonna be holding this one on my top step, y'all. Secured on my apexes. Where are we taking this to, boys? I got TP at 700. Is that? Yeah, I got TP around 720. Which I'm still holding again on my top step account. Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah. Mhm. The tariffs, I'm a scare tactic. Pretty much Trump was just trying to get everybody to comply with a bunch of laws that these countries were breaking. And the tariff was like it's just an excuse, like economic pressure on them to follow those rules. Like China was uh, exporting hella fentanyls and hella stuff to like other countries to bring it to the United States. Um, that was like one of the issues of why tariffs and on pharmaceutical and all these stuff from China getting taxed. Uh, I know what's his name? The new JFK, not JFK, Robert Kennedy. He's talking about banning all the flavored vape coming from China at a federal level. So that is also another thing. Pretty much, it was just a scare tactic to just drop the market and then right back. Look at how the market bounced back so strong within what was the pickup was April 7th. That was the last time. That was the bottom of the bottom on August 7th. I mean, from April 7th, not that April 7th of this year. And now, what is it right now? June 1st. It's not even 2 months.
Go down a bit. It looks like it's still testing this 5 minute area here. 1 hour, 30-minute closure in 7 minutes, 15-minute closure is wicking. I could see it come back down one more time. It looks like we're also right. Let's see, from here to here. It looks like we're tapping that 88. Just be wary, but I'm gonna hold this and maybe even get back in if it comes back down to here. All right.
Yeah, just close full. I mean, it is what it is. I just hit my trailing.
You got in down here at this wick. Well done.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah. Got in at 70, 72, 73, something. But like the move, there's not that many, not that much volume today. From 9:30, and it gets to a high, which is it went bounce from 5, 5:10, 21, 5:10 to 6:37. That was 100 and what 120 some points. Slow Tuesday.
still a Tuesday. 4 hours still strong. Daily still strong. Got a 30-minute closure in 5 minutes. I'd like to see this stay bullish. The 5 minute can break back above here. That would be nice. Did anyone take that trade, the spy from down here? Did anyone close? Is anyone in profit? What do you guys at? Talk to me.
Man,
YouTube, how you doing?
I'm in a profit of $250.
Nice, nice.
Just watching for today, waiting for it to come back down.
Love the discipline. Y'all know I have to journal this for
Tell them you buy top.
yep.
Hey, why do you enter this trade? All right. Yeah, this 5 closed. Would it be another bearish candle? Or are we gonna consolidate right here?
Man. Yeah, so if you guys don't know, Apex is making me document my trades to get my payouts now because taking too much money from them. Throw this in the chat GPT, let her do the rest.
Oh, did you say you just put the screenshot in ChatGPT?
Yeah.
My fault, I missed that. I was responding to an email. Could you elaborate on that?
Yeah, just to get her to draft the email for me. I already gave her my strategy. So I
Mm.
wanted to align with the strategy that I already gave her.
Oh, so you already trained it with the prompts.
Yeah, exactly. I already
Strategy. I
she
see. That's fire. Yeah.
They really got me out here, man. Can y'all believe this? Can
They
y'all
got
believe
that voice in handcuffs.
this? Um,
Say, bring your paper slip if you want some cash.
exactly. All right, 1 second.
You do a good job of not giving away too much, though. That's
Exactly.
like
I'm trying to make it as
bare minimum, you
vague
know?
as possible.
I mean, the fact they haven't respond to you, you don't know if you do it right or they want something more specific or anything.
That's true.
I mean, there's nothing they can really, it's not like they're not gonna pay me out. Like they didn't say nothing like that.
Bruh, they're gonna be like, that's not a complete sentence, sir.
I'm telling you, it's like this trade was executed using my discretionary price action strategy. It was a manual entry based off price. Like, I gotta make it as vague as possible. All right. Dear compliance team, fucking pay me out.
You just say, I use ChatGPT to take my trade.
That's the strategy. What can they
That's
say?
a strategy. You can just tell them that. Strategy.
All right. Like, I'll show y'all if y'all want to see. Um, I think I showed y'all yesterday, but got me doing homework, y'all. They got me doing homework. Really, as
That's
big as possible. Set up form during the volume. The R section was structured around a clean break and retest pattern. Entry entered. Da, da, da. Yep, and that's number 3 right there. I can see. For me to get a payout, I gotta. Oh, I guess I don't even know, but obviously, if I don't do it, I don't think they'll pay me out.
I guess it builds good habits, though.
Exactly. All right, so 15-minute closed strong, 30-minute closed nice and strong as well. And it's kind of slowing down a bit, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Probably stay on for another 30 minutes or so. T. I'm gonna hold it this time on Top Step.
Um, is today the day?
It is.
It's the day the day. It's the day the day.
Yeah, flow $200 more on this account right here. I got $900 left on these accounts down here for a 2K payout. So it's pretty good. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to unshare. What's it called? I ended up entering a bit more when it came down here. Um, you guys know I like to get 300 to $500 a day on the Apex accounts. I ended up securing around 270. Still holding Top Step.
You got a good position on Top Step though.
Yeah. So what do you call a candle with no wick? Usually, if like one side has no wick to it, like the body just closes strong. So it looks like that, for example. Let me see if I can find an example. Like you see how these last 30-minute candles have wicks at the top. If there was no wick, the body would have closed up here, so there would be no wick. All right, which is a sign, that we can continue pushing, a high probability sign that we can continue pushing up, right? Does that make sense? In this case, for a buy. All right, looks like we're holding this 5 minute zone right here, y'all.
Where you entered? Oh,
That I entered, yeah, I entered some, and then when it dropped, I entered, averaged that price down.
average dollar cost average.
Yeah, that's why that's why I didn't enter that much up here. Because if I did, it wouldn't have moved it down as much, if that makes sense. That's why we have testers.
Gentlemen, we are holding. But dead ass, I want to see this down low, and this thing just not want to come down.
My boy Joe just got back in. Savage. Nah, I can see that.
Joey, let me hear your voice, man. I know you're on that iPhone. He said, "All right." Put Sophia on the line, bro.
Ooh.
Oh, oh no.
Man, cashing trades at work. I see you. Just walk away and you come back, it's gonna be in profit. He said it's money time, boy. That 5 minute looks really good, yo. 15 minute closure in 4 minutes. But I'm liking the shift double bottom situation here. If it holds
Yeah,
above here, I could see it continue pushing. There is a chance though. It
the
could come
wicked.
down and test the 88. That's also a possibility. But I'm liking this structure that we got.
Loving this. Yeah, loving the five, rejecting, wick, bullish, closing, double bottom.
Yo, Joe, just unmute yourself for a sec, bro. Say what's up.
What's up, bro? Y'all trying to get me in trouble or something? I got all day, bro. I'll sit on this floor all day.
I'm about to be right there with you. It's kind of moving real slow though, real slow.
I'll sit here all day.
I'm gonna give it to like 11, 11-ish.
If that next 4 hour on Top Step doesn't push up to here in what, in 4 hours? I don't even know.
I just want to see some flying.
This is from the body to wig. I think I like the body, or excuse me, wig to wig more, because if we go down to the 1 hour, we can see we have some structure here.
Please.
Could go up to here, or maybe come down to here, test, or even back all the way down to here. But based off that 4 hour, I'm enticed, or excuse me, I'm convinced that we could push up. Are y'all still holding? Are y'all waiting like Christina's? Are y'all looking for a re-entry? What are we doing?
I did get back in at
Staying
95.
100 off this little movement is so solid. Is that plus the 200 you already had? But looking for re-entry for sure. Yeah, nice, nice. Yeah, got me wanting to enter again. 15-minute closure in 1 minute. Looks good. Looks like we wicked to the downside. Good sign for us. 5 minutes still looks really good. Nice engulfing. Double bottom with that engulfing candle. Engulf 50% or more the previous at 5 minute.
Cerveza.
All right, 15-minute close with the wick to the downside. Looks like it was right around here.
Still a little sauce.
Hmm.
A little sauce.
Yeah, I currently just got one position running. Oh, got the screenshots. Okay. Hey, man, $300 away keeps the bills away, bro. Well done, well done. Great job. For sure. I mean, if you depends if you're risking, how much you're risking, where you're getting in. Are you getting at the bottom? Um, and if you have higher time frame confluence, it's all about having that conviction.
Wow. Let's go, baby.
You better go.
Come on up.
It
I
looks
got that
good.
95.
See if we could break this 5 minute area here.
Yeah, that top. That's resisting. Or are we gonna ping pong? But the lows are getting higher, so I think getting price want to go up. We got a uh. Oh yeah,
You better pop.
come on. You see a pop?
Yep.
See what's crypto doing? Crypto is going up as well. Ethereum's going up. See what's Bitcoin doing? 106. It's about time Ethereum's catching up, starting to catch up a little bit. Many people online are saying the Ethereum popping with the the start of the alt season. Alt season, bro. Please hit me one more time. Phuket's about to go wild, bro.
Trying to go back to Phuket, man.
Bro, you
Almost
sick.
died out there, bro.
XRP hitting $100. I'm moving there.
Stay away from the burgers, bro.
Stay away from the burgers, man.
Yo, me and T
Yeah,
took when in Dubai, me and T hit a trade. We're like, fuck it. Let's go to Thailand. You know? Well, T was already going. I was the one who said, fuck it, I'll go with you. So went out there. We're supposed to be there for like what? I was supposed to be there for 5 days. We ended up getting stuck in India for 24 hours, so that cut our trip short. What I'm not even gonna talk about India right now, but got to Thailand. First 3 days were great. Last day we ended up getting food poisoning. That was the end of us.
bad, down
The end of
bad.
me.
Yeah, didn't even get to do Muay Thai or nothing, bro.
Yeah, I was so disappointed about that. Um, I had a flight from Dubai back to the States, so there was no point of me spending an extra, I don't know, what was it, 1,000 or 2,000 to get it direct. So I ended up flying back. I was so sick, I was like, there's no point of me even staying here. So I ended up leaving a day early, going back to Dubai to catch my flight back.
Sick.
I didn't, th- I didn't think I was gonna make it back alive, yo. I was on my deathbed.
A burger at like 1 a.m. in the morning,
And T did even say, "Nah, let's not eat this."
which just looks sauce.
You did say it looked good. I don't know, but that was the worst thing. I wouldn't wish that upon anyone. Would not wish that upon anyone.
But the Johnny outside the beach is definitely hitting, bro. But at the nighttime,
The Walker?
yeah, the
Wait,
Walker
wait.
outside.
Nah, we were drinking Henny because the lick that they had wasn't real lick, man. I swear they were watering it down with
this,
vodka. We were getting whiskey, and
this
it
man,
wasn't. It tasted like vodka.
this man was saying it was not real liquor the
It was
entire.
not real lick. The only thing that was real was the Hennessy.
Nah, we were in
This is
Phuket.
this is
There-
Phuket, Thailand, and then we were at Dubai, then we went to Phuket, and I went back to um. Hey man, at least we got a good travel story.
Great time.
For the 3 days that we were fine, at least for me. But T ended up staying like a week longer than me.
I
You know,
know,
I had to
but
check back into reality. T ended up staying. He went into an island.
yeah,
I don't know what island he went to.
my birthday was a week. Oh my God, yes sir.
Okay, okay.
Glad I jumped in, and you can see a push. I'm still holding one lot. I closed one when I up here. It was only two. Let's see. But yeah, my birthday was like a couple days after he left, so I decided to just stay.
My bad, I was muted. And the crazy thing is, T, I packed medicine for that, and I forgot I packed it.
That's crazy.
You know what I mean?
That's wild.
Struggling for no reason.
For real.
So on the sidewalk, on just laying down, pouring water over my head. I was just like, T, just check us out, bro. Like you handle that.
It's
The
down bad, bro. Down
the
bad.
ride from the airport was like an hour. I slumped the whole way.
I
Flew
had to call
Emirates
the
back.
Uber too.
Yeah, I was not functional. Yeah, T was in Dubai.
uh,
He was in He was at the ticket booth,
I
Christine.
was at the ticket booth. I was ticketing everybody.
Looking for re-entry CB. Did you end up getting in? Mm, Well done if y'all got in on that 5 minute. That 5 minute down here.
Yeah.
Well
Yes.
done. Well done.
At 95.
Joe,
Another
you
50
still in
points
this?
for me. What?
I said, Joe, are you still in this?
I'm
What you
thinking
think,
about it.
man?
What you say?
What you think?
Are you still riding?
I'm closing it now.
Yeah,
You might as well just leave work, bro.
I'm gonna close though.
Oh, never mind. Actually, I'm gonna leave it open. The 30 looks like it's vicious. Look at this 30, bro. 6 minute. She about to do some dirty work. She about to go pop. She wanna go. Come on.
Man, I want to enter so bad, but I'm gonna just let the one I got.
Let her ride.
Just let it ride. Ride. Hey, ride. Ride. But yeah, I feel like I didn't really get to experience Thailand as
Nah,
much because
yeah.
I cut the trade, or excuse me, cut the days. Got cut 2 days short, excuse me.
Bro, next time I know exactly where we need to go, bro.
Oh,
We're
bro.
going on another island. We're gonna go to Phuket, take the boat to another island, private island.
That's what we had planned, remember?
That's exactly what we had
That's what we
planned.
had planned. Man, he was booking the hotels for the wrong dates. As soon as we landed, no,
Yeah.
our flight got delayed. He calls the hotel trying to tell them like, "Hey, we're not gonna get there in time." And they're like, "Oh, well, you booked your hotel 2 weeks from today." So they're like, "You want to change it?" And he was like, "Yeah, let's change it." We land, and then they're like, "Yeah, you booked your hotel for tomorrow, not today." I looked at T, I was like, "Bro." So
Wow.
we ended up finding another hotel,
Right next
like
door.
right across the street, which would ended up playing out perfectly. Um, the food was good. That mall we went to, T,
Oh yeah.
but that ended up getting yacked up 20
Yeah.
few hours later. Don't get It was the burgers, man. It was the burgers.
If you're in Thailand, don't get burgers, bro.
Bro, I was thinking it was the ice in the cups that we were drinking.
Nah, it was definitely the burgers.
Waiting until 11. I kind of wish I wasn't. Hang around in the consolidation zone. I'm enjoying y'all stories. Gonna make more of these memories. Yes, sir. Joe, you coming with us, man.
India.
India, no, no. I'm so sorry. You will not catch me back there again. Bombay, India, never again. I don't know.
Bro, it was so bad.
It was just I didn't have a good experience. I'm gonna be honest with y'all.
It's just like, damn. The rumors were true.
Another 5 minutes, but then the candle started pushing down, but the re-entry fought. My guy CB. Happy birthday to you.
All right, yeah, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're gonna see some gone. Uh, no, no real pull down on the higher time frame since last night, since the reversal this morning at 3 a.m. This thing is just coming back to that top where we dropped yesterday. This was the 9 a.m. drop from yesterday. We're about to be tapping that 88 right now. Where
15
them
minutes
sellers
really
at?
good, yo. Wow. 15-minute about to close strong. You can see the hour about to close with no wick, potentially. Yep. There she goes.
Where them sellers at?
They're not until 700. I mean, it does look like we kind of got some wickage here, to be honest. Where is that? Yeah, right around here. Just be wary of that, y'all. You guys can see. But the 1 hour still looks good. It's a
Yep.
30-minute zone.
Wow. We were. Congrats to those who held.
Still holding on Top Step.
I close full. I'm satisfied with the 550 today.
Oh,
The 550.
I see you, T.
Mm. Look at that. Whoa. 6. What? She's Russian.
Isn't Bali in Bali's not in India, right? It's in Indonesia. Yeah. I'm gonna have to check it out for sure. I don't know, but those flights are just so long, man.
Yeah, and
Like,
Bali is a little stricter than Thailand. The flight, oh my God. 15 hours?
bro, it took me like 2 days to get back from from Thailand. Only
Yeah.
because I had to go back to Dubai. I'm gonna say that Emirates flight was nice though.
All right.
All right, yeah, it's 11.
Yeah, anybody?
Still pushing. I'm still in on one count. You can
On
see the
top.
4 hour looks good. 1 hour close strong, 30-minute close strong, 15-minute close strong. High chance that we can continue pushing based off these closures. If you're satisfied with your gains, if you hit your goal for the day, I would recommend securing partials, whatever it may be.
Just like that. Another dub.
I'm gonna move to break even.
Just like that.
I'm gonna actually secure some on my top step too. See, I'm
Nice.
not holding. I changed my mind.
Do you have 2 or 1 in there? 2?
Two, yeah.
Yeah, close 1. Or close both.
I'm satisfied with the gains, man.
Order filled.
Okay, close that. And just like that.
Yup.
Yup.
Just like that. We buy tops. Don't tell Roy. No, I'm playing. So it looks like we're kind of getting some traffic here, or we're at this area of traffic. Just be wary. Be wary of that. 500 for the day, T. I see you.
550, man.
I see you, boy. Let me hold 100.
I will.
I'll give you a fresh 50 cents to hold. 2 quarters.
Hey man, just take me out to Thailand again. T was my little travel guy. Because he's been there before. It was my first time. He was showing me the ropes.
Bro, this time we're gonna stay on Fifi Island.
Ooh, not Fifi. I miss Fifi.
Yo, the Fifi Island, when I went by myself, I took there. I should have just stayed on there for like that one day, but I didn't. Bro, that was lit.
Yeah. Man, I'm over
Bro,
here FaceTiming T. He over here on the islands.
ah, warm sun, breeze in the hair. Nothing can beat that.
honestly. And she's still pushing. All right, let's see. What is the plan? What do you mean by that? Sultan Bacha. The plan is to make money.
Make
CB up
money.
700. You up 700? Are you saying that's what you're trying to get? I'm trading live on Trade Locker, building my account, made 200. Oh, nice, nice. Well done. Hey man, 300 to $500 a day is the sweet spot if you guys have these fun, depending on what size accounts you have, but they add up. Anyone in the YouTube have any questions? I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream.
Hold on. If you're on YouTube, if you're trying to trade with us, uh, every morning, daily, catching dubs, join our Discord.
Yeah, we also have a webinar tomorrow. If you guys are interested, sign up and we'll see you there. All right, y'all. Hope everyone has a blessed day. CB, again, happy birthday. Hope you enjoy it. All right, what's going on, y'all? Just gonna keep it open for a bit. Do you guys have any questions? Members?